Hello, you trading nerds. How you doing? It is a Tuesday, and I am ready to go, baby. We are ready. The market has done nothing today. Look at this, up 0.14%, up 7 points. It is in the still the 15-minute opening range. It has been a nothing burger. Short it, short it, short it. She be going down, I would think. I don't know. AD's been going up. So I bet you look at this area of support and resistance, those pivot points there. So we'll see if it goes above it or below it. But I don't know. If I haven't put my money on it, I think it's going down. Hourly mid band has been creeping up. The VWAP has been creeping up. And look at this 2,999. 3,000 contracts every 2 minutes. So VIX is down at 13.5, AD at 81. Nothing to see here. Let's look at the big green monster. Big green monster, we know that there's support right here at the 5064 number. And indeed, it popped off of there and pops right back up into the fair value zone. Where do we think it will go? Probably the 5123. If not the 5123, we're looking at a 59 or so. So, yeah, everything looks really good. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression, baby, is looking good as well. Let's see, linear regression. There we go. Linear regression looking up, 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 and up. It's doing its thing like it always does. So we think that the market will continue to go upward, upward, upward. All of our technical indicators, the 20 and the 15 and all that is looking good. We're above the 200 daily moving average. Still, we are above the 10-month moving average. Still. 10 above that, and we are the 10 and the 20 is definitely the 10 is above the 20, so it is guns away, baby. We are trading 50% of our capital. So with that said, let's look at our Greeks and ratios today and figure out what our net lick is. Our net lick is 55,868. 55,868. Let's put that in. 55,868. 55,868. Leroy, fire up the band Rico. We are looking good. Yes, we are. 227.24. I would like this to be a little more than that, but I don't know. That's pretty good. We made $644 since we were here last week. So now we're up $798. That is an all-time high for this account for the year. And yeah, I think we're looking really, really good. We would like to be at around 3 or 4% by the end of the week. That is, I don't know, that'd be pushing it a little bit. So we're underperforming. Let's see about our position sizing, see where we should be. We should have 23 positions on in this account. How many do we have? We have 16 and 17. And our normal position size is, let's say our normal position size in this account is 1.52. So about 2. So we're just not quite where we need to be. Let's see if any of our trades need adjusting. Indeed, it does. That's a slide that we did that is down to 17 days left in the trade. And yeah, we got some others that are down to 17 days in the trade. So what we'll do is we don't have to take all of those off, but let's see what our Greeks and ratios say first, okay? So let's go here and get our Greeks and ratios. So take our groups off. Make sure those GTC orders are clicking. We got all our GTCs clicking. Look at there. We probably get filled on this maybe tomorrow. And then, boy, when these 20 cents start coming off, that is gold, baby. Gold, gold, gold. So let's see. We are equities and futures options. So we are at, let's see. Here we go. 35.28. Daddy's in the class, baby. 35.28. Daddy's in the class. Can't get it now. 35.28. And VIX is at, what do we say, 13? And our buying power usage is at 10.3. Wow, look at this. 10,300. Okay, looks good. So let's do I don't know. Let's do a 3 truncher today. Let's bump it up a little bit. I think we could do that. And maybe we'll take 1 trade off. So we'll do that. Put on 3, take off 1. Or 2, whatever the case may be. Let's see, what does it want us to take off here? Hold on, let's do this. Just show the blanks. There we go. So we just want to take off this 3,800. So that's one contract. So I'll put on 3 today and take off 1. So let's go do our little trades. So we go to trade, go to MES, because that's what we do in these smaller accounts. And we'll go to 120 days, 115. Let's go here. And I think I'm going to do another 111 like we did yesterday. Let's go to a 10 delta, 10% probability of being in the money right there, 10%. And we'll sell that for 29.50 or so. Why did it go down so much? Go back up to the 29. There we go. 29.25. And we'll do 3 of those. Come on, baby, fill me. Fill me! All right, no big deal. Let's go to working orders. Make it less advantageous. So 29, that should fill. All right, so we sold the 4650s for 29. 4650s for 29. Let's go put that in. 4650, 29. And we did 3 of those. So let's do micros, 3 contracts. And we'll call this P or NP 112. But 100, that'll be naked 115 and 227. Can y'all believe this month is almost over? 227.24. And let's go here, MES. And we're going to do 3 contracts of the put debit spread. So PDS 112. And 227.24. Put it in 115 days as well. And this will be debit spread. And we're doing puts. So let's go put them in. 3 contracts of that. So we got to go to about the 25 delta, right? 25 in here. So we're going to buy 3 of these and sell 50 points below, 3 of those. And let's do contracts of 3. There we go. So see if we can get filled for 850. Nothing. Let's go back. Do it again. Bump it up a little bit. 855. Nothing. All right, let's bump it up a little more. You'll be noticing on my Tuesdays that my fills are not as good. And that's probably because I'm at the end of the day, I guess. Do 865. Come on, baby. Fill me. Fill me. All right. I got nothing but time, baby. Let's go to 875. It's going to make me go up $9. I just know what it is. That's all right. I got time. Testing the market here. Somebody's wanting my order. Just got to make them really want it. Let's say 890. Nothing. I don't know. Let's go up to 9. We just don't want to go over 10. That's what we want to do, right? 9. See if that'll fill. Nothing. Hello? Are you out there? Somebody gonna take my order? Yes, sir. What would you have? Give me a Big Mac and a apple pie, baby. Unbelievable. We generally don't have this much trouble getting fills, but 915. Let's see if we can get there. We're trying to keep them going at 925. There we go. So we got filled at 910. 910. 910. 49.50. 4,900. Yep, we did 3 of those. I hope I did 3 of those. Didn't I do 3 of those? I'll make sure. Yeah. Oh no. Here we go. Yeah, 3 of those, 3 of those. That's a 111. So let's put them in their groups. And go down here and go. Yes, make sure there's nothing there. MES. We got naked puts. Naked puts. And we'll do put debit spreads. All right, now let's look at our orders or our naked stuff and see if let's put him in T-bills. T-bills. And that leaves us with the what now?
T-bill Tuesday.
It is T-bill Tuesday, isn't it? That's interesting because I do have a lot of bill. Look, I got 300. You're saying it's zero buying effect on bill? Is that really right? No, that's amazing. All right, so we got bill in this account. So let's go look at our naked puts. And our biggest winner is 97%, baby. I mean, let's just take that winner and just go with it. So let's close these 3,800s. Create closing order at 45 cents. There we go. So we got filled at 45. So let's go get our money. See if we got Applebee's money. So we closed 2 of the 3,800s for 45 cents. And our exit is on 227.24. Beautiful. So we made $137.12. Look at us. All right, so I could close these too, but my theta's low, y'all. Didn't I do my 3x rate? Yeah, my theta's really low. So I can't close anything else. I got to build this up a little bit. That's when we did 3 tranches, and that's why we're underperforming the market. Only one day, that was our first trading day of the year, were we above 0.10%. So we got to step this up a little bit. Now, it may be that I'm overhedged, but anyway, we think we're doing good. Just make sure your GTC orders aren't filling today. And let's see how much buying power again we're using in this account. Because it looks like I could add some bill, doesn't it? Let's see. We're using, is that really right with the bill using 0%, y'all? Wow, that's good. Okay. Well, it is T-bill Tuesday, so we may add something there. That's amazing. That's taking up no buying power. That's very cool. All right, y'all. Good day. Hope you have a good rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.